Okay guys, so this is a unboxing video of the Vivobarefoot Primus Lite 3s in white. So guys, this is a review of the Vivobarefoot Primus Lite 3s in white. I have them in black, but I decided to get them in white as well, purely because I love my first pair so much. So here we are. Over. And there we are, guys. It seems as though they've removed their sort of cardboard filling in there, but this is the shoes in white, and I have to say I think they look very, very nice. The back. They are a bright white as well, which I do quite like. I want these ones to stand out a little bit, and I definitely think they will. And the left shoe. What I'll do is compare these with the black pair. So this is my pair of Vivobarefoot Primus Lite 3s that I have in black, and this is the white pair. So you can see, guys, the white pair is far brighter. They do look a lot fresher, but obviously that is because my black ones are now 2 years old. Still holding up pretty well, and the light ones and the white ones, sorry, in comparison, looking really nice. So there we are, guys, the unboxing video of the Vivobarefoot Primus Lite 3s. Really excited to wear these. Let me know if you've also got a pair and how you're finding them. I'll see you next time.